welcome back to Beautylicious Kitchens, and today we are going to be cooking a pasta and minced beef dish. So these are all the ingredients. As you can see, are salt, onions, green pepper, Maggi cubes, minced meat, and our seasoning. So now we're going to boil the pasta. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello to the new subscribers. And the old subscribers, thank you for staying here and watching my videos. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
I put some oil into the pasta because I like, that's the way I like cooking mine. It makes it not stick together, it doesn't stick together. So I'm going to put it inside the water, as you can see. And I added some chopped garlic as well. So that should give it flavor. Okay, you can see that our pasta is almost cooked, so we're going to leave it for about 5 minutes and then we'll take it off the boil. So, see you right back. Our pasta is cooked now, so I'm going to take it off the boil. Now, we put the mincemeat in the pot, and we don't add any oil because as you all know that mincemeat of course is oil, so we don't want to add any more. And you can see I didn't even put any oil in it, and you can see that the oil is all dripping out. But we don't mind because we need it to cook the pasta. I'm not adding any more oil, so I'm just trying to loosen up all the mincemeat together, trying to loosen it up. So you can see adding in the chopped green pepper and the onions to the mixture. Season all in together. Pasta now, you should see. And all ready to go. You can see that's our vegetable mincemeat pasta. So it's very healthy. So all ready to go. All done and dusted.